everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is New Year's Eve and we are going to be unboxing the December Sew Sampler by Fat Quarter Shop. If you're unfamiliar with Sew Sampler, they're a monthly sewing and quilting subscription box. They're full of all kinds of notions, goodies, fabric, and of course patterns. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So the theme for this month's box is Vintage Soul. Again, this is December 2019 box, and there is a promo code on the back for 25% off Riley Blake fabric, so that's always a bonus. And then of course we have our little insert here that tells us everything that is inside this month's box. They also give us retail value on there as well, so you can kind of see what kind of value you're getting for your box. I can't remember if I mentioned, but the boxes are $24.95 a month, and then of course usually your value of your box is more than that, usually somewhere around $50 to $60. So the first thing in our box are these cute point protectors. Now when I first saw these, I thought they were the things that you put on the end of your knitting needles, which I think you can actually use them for, but these are meant to go on the tips of your scissors. They are a soft, durable rubber, and they come in two sizes, so you can fit small scissors, awls, seam rippers, and other cute, like larger size scissors. Once you pull them all out of here, this is a reusable plastic container, so you can use it to store things like maybe sewing needles, something like that. It values for $5.48. The next thing in our box is this quick press seam roller. This one is retailing for $14.98, and it says iron less and quilt more with the quick press seam roller by Lori Holt. It's the perfect tool to flatten seams and applique shapes when you are on the go. Made of sturdy wood, this seam roller creates flat seams with just the slightest pressure. And I actually really like having one of these. I have a plastic one. I'm really excited to try this wooden one. It looks like it's really good quality. And it's really nice if you have younger sewers. A lot of times I will have my daughters use these instead of my iron, so they're not gonna, like, you know, burn themselves or anything like that. And I was not sure how they would work, but they actually work really well. The only thing I think I've experienced with these is when I'm pressing my fabric with these, I feel like it can kind of, the pressure can kind of stretch it out a little bit. But I do like to use these when I'm at my machine and I've got just a little piece I need to kind of flatten out so I can sew another piece onto it. A lot of times I'll use one of these instead of my iron. So I'm excited to add this to my sewing room. The next thing in our box is the Sweet Daisy quilt pattern. This is also by Lori Holt, and it's exclusive for Sew Sampler box. And this is a cute little, let me turn it this way so you can see the designs a little bit better, but they have these cute little bows and flowers. This looks like the finished size is 23.5 inches by 49.5 inches, so cute little table runner. And it uses vintage stacker, which I have right here. This is the Petite Vintage Happy 2 10-inch stacker, again by Lori Holt. This values at $17.98. There are 20 pieces in this little 10-inch stacker, and this is her new fabric line. There you can kind of see all the colors, but it's just her traditional bright cherry colors. And then the last thing in our box is our Goodness Grows Quilt Along block. This is block number 9. And this retails for $4.98. And this looks like just a cute little patchwork section of your quilt. If you're unfamiliar with the Sew Samplers boxes, each month you get a different recipe card for another block, and by the time you get all 12 boxes, then you'll have enough blocks to make a fun sampler quilt. So this one again is called Goodness Grows. It's designed by Corey Yoder, and it is super cute. They are featuring her Strawberry Jam collection of fabrics for this year's Quilt Along. So these are really cute. Let me get the other ones and I'll show you the other blocks. So here are the other blocks that we received so far. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, that is everything that came in this month's box. I added it all up. $53.40 is the value for this month's box. So that's it for the December 2019 Sew Sampler box, last unboxing for the year. I think overall I'm relatively pleased with the contents of the box. I like the fabric, the pattern is pretty cute. I'm excited for this wooden seam roller, and if these little squishy guys fit on the end of my scissors, then that's a total bonus. These I have some similar to, but I use them for my knitting needles. I never thought about putting them on some scissors, so I think that'll be really cool if they work for them. Leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite product for this month's box was. Thank you so much for for joining me today. I hope you guys all have a wonderful and safe New Year's and a great 2020. And I will be back with lots of new videos in the new year, lots of tutorials for you. We have some fun vlogs coming, so definitely stay tuned to our channel. If you're not already, make sure to like it, thumbs up, and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next year. So that's it for this month's box, the December 9th. Oh my gosh, what year is it? If you're unfamiliar with these, each month if you're unfamiliar with the Sew Sampler boxes, each month, holy cow. Thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to joining you again next year with all kinds of new fun videos and tutorials and unboxings and all of the good things.